Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for September 11th, 2014. Of course, it's a somber day as always, as it's been since 2001. As always, our minds and hearts are with those who lost their lives on this date back in 2001. So I just wanted to start that off. So with a heavy heart, as always, this time of year, let's get to the forecast and take a look at the latest observations. We have temperatures throughout the region surging into the mid to upper 60s over the interior and upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast, as a warm front has now driven through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, produced a few isolated showers this morning. Heavier downpours over northeastern Pennsylvania, actually. It was a little bit of a surprise there at 4 a.m. And some areas of fog have developed in Connecticut and New Jersey. So far, though, it hasn't been all that dense, so that's certainly some good news, and that fog will lift by 10 a.m. We do have a threat for showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and evening, but it does not look as significant of a severe threat as what was possibly developing as of yesterday. So it looks like we're going to be dealing with some showers and thunderstorms, but a lot of these thunderstorms will be below severe levels. Temperatures this afternoon will be rising into the lower to mid 80s throughout the entire region, upper 70s to lower 80s over Long Island. And the humidity will certainly be increasing, and it's already in the mid 60s for dew points, which is pretty impressive for this time of year. Now, you're going to feel the humid conditions today, and it's going to feel very summer-like today, but it's not going to last. It's going to last, you got another 12 hours, and then it's done, and then we move into a rather cool, unsettled fall weather pattern for this weekend on through next week. So let's take a look at the players on the field. First of all, we have our surface map here. Again, here's that warm front driving north. Here comes the cold front. Now, behind this cold front is a very impressive polar high pressure system that's going to fundamentally change the environment that we're going to be dealing with. So for today, we have temperatures well above normal. Say goodbye to that. Say goodbye to the 80s for the foreseeable future. And we're talking about temperatures generally ranging in the lower to mid 70s for much of the forecast period behind this cold front. But behind this cold front, we also have disturbances like this one here over the southern plains, another one over the Rockies, and these disturbances will be moving along the cold front that's going to stall to the south of us, and that's going to keep us at a constant threat for scattered showers. No thunderstorms. I don't think this is a thunderstorm environment at all, but periods of rain, scattered showers, especially on Saturday, and again on Tuesday. Tuesday, your best potential for some moderate to heavy downpours. So let's take a look at the latest radar, and you can see here as it shows up that warm front lifting north and those showers dissipating. Here's the cold front with the showers and thunderstorms. This line of showers and thunderstorms will progress to the east today, producing the potential for some heavy downpours, frequent lightning, possibly some hail, and wind gusts over 30 miles per hour. When we take a look at the infrared satellite picture, I notice a few interesting observations here. One, the surface low pressure system's lifting up into Quebec, and that's where we have the best lifting occurring with the cloud tops. We also have cloud tops rather cold over the Tennessee River Valley, but notice the trends here, that these cloud tops are warming over the Ohio River Valley and over portions of the eastern Great Lakes, and are very strong and very cold over the Mississippi River Valley. So when we take a look at the water vapor satellite picture, we notice a very fundamental development going on in the atmosphere. You have your strongest lifting developing over the St. Lawrence River Valley with the upper level low, and you have strong lifting with a strong disturbance over the plains and over the Tennessee River Valley. So the combination of these two factors is going to lead to sinking air over the northern mid-Atlantic. So this should limit the development of severe thunderstorms. But I don't like the idea of creating an isolated environment, as some of the model guides are showing. So I'm keeping scattered showers and thunderstorms in the forecast, but at the same time, I do think that the severe threat is going to be limited compared to what was thought yesterday. So it's all about where these disturbances set up and rising and sinking air. It basically comes down to that. So the cold front moves through this afternoon. Again, temperatures in the lower to mid 80s for highs. Looking for thunderstorm impact from about 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. from west to east. After 8 p.m., we start to dry out, skies start to clear out rapidly, and by tomorrow morning, we're looking at low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior and lower to mid 50s along the coast. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance. We're going to use the European model guidance from the Penn State UL website. Again, for today, that cold front moves through with showers and thunderstorms. By tomorrow morning, we're chilly. By tomorrow afternoon, that polar high pressure system is in full control. We're looking at high temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern tier, locations north and west of New York City and Philadelphia, and over the coast and in those urban areas, high temperatures only in the lower to mid 70s, so much cooler. And you're definitely going to feel the difference in the air mass. With dew points in the 40s, it's going to feel much drier. An absolute perfect end to this upcoming week. Unfortunately, Saturday, not so much. We're going to have a disturbance in area low pressure move through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area with scattered showers. Now, not a washout. It's not going to ruin all your outdoor plans, but definitely bring an umbrella with you for a few passing showers and scattered to overcast cloud cover. So if you're going to a football game or baseball game, don't worry. Just bring an umbrella with you. The event will not be rained out, but definitely unsettled weather conditions will be in place. Low temperatures on Saturday will range from the mid to upper 40s over the interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. High temperatures are going to be very cool, mid to upper 60s over the interior and upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. On Sunday and Monday, high pressure will be in full control with clear skies and scattered cloud cover. I'm looking at temperatures averaging near to slightly below normal. Low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior and mid to upper 70s along the coast. On Tuesday, another strong disturbance moves through with an area low pressure. This low pressure system has a better potential for producing some heavier downpours throughout the region. There's pretty strong model agreement from my three global models, the European, this one, the GFS, and the Canadian model guidance, on this low pressure system being a little bit more moisture loaded and a little bit more enhanced, leading to the potential for widespread showers and some heavy downpours. Looking at temperatures on Tuesday in the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows throughout the region and lower to mid 70s for highs, which I'm going below the GFS MOS guidance on this day for Tuesday because I think the track of this low pressure system will be over southern New Jersey, leading to a northeasterly wind rather than a southeasterly wind as the GFS is showing. As a result, we should remain a bit cooler, lower to mid 70s for highs throughout the region. And then polar high pressure system will be in place for the middle of the week with clear skies in place, temperatures averaging pretty much near normal, upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast for lows, high temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior, and mid 70s along the coast. That's your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen D. Martino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.